CNC machining is computer numeric controlled machining. And machining at its core is one of the most insanely cool things that you can do in order to produce parts for any kind of industry you can imagine, whether or not it's automotive, marine, aerospace.
The benefits of hiring someone who's completed the CNC program at Daytona State are that they come to us with training they received in so many different areas. They get safety training, they get a little bit of business training. When they come into the workplace, they already have an idea of what to expect.
I started off not knowing anything at all about G&M codes or tooling or machining or anything about the trade at all. And now I would say that I'm very proficient and I was able to get a job out of it. So I feel like I've learned quite a bit.
In the 2 semesters that you're here, all of that you're learning is applicable to the field.
Really good CNC machinists are still kind of a rare thing to find, and it's a career that's portable. Anywhere in the country, there's always going to be a demand for CNC machinists.
Some of the positions available in this industry are anywhere from entry-level operator positions to advanced management positions in tool and die industries, in production CNC machining. The options are endless.
A great character trait for CNC machining: an attention to detail, an awareness of what you're doing, and a pride in making something the best that you can possibly make it. A flexible, open mind, because there's no 2 days that are the same, and you're always going to have very unique problems because it is such a dynamic and changing way of making things.
The field of CNC machining in the next 10 years, I think it's going to grow exponentially. I think that you're going to see a lot more involvement with AI and how that's going to assist programmers and machinists alike.
It's not an industry that there's a lot of ways to get involved in before you're actually hired. So having that pre-exposure to something that pretty much nobody has access to is a huge help for us, and it kind of jump-starts my own training program because I can start them a lot further along down that path than if they're coming from, say, a retail job.
So I would recommend choosing CNC machining as a career because it can take you so many different avenues. It also is a career that provides a great pay structure, usually within companies that have benefits and 401ks and health insurance and all those things that young people are looking for today.
So the requirements to enroll in the CNC machining program at Daytona State are to have a high school diploma or a GED if you wish to receive financial aid. But if you don't have those things, you can speak to academic advising about other options for you to get started in our program. We also require a placement test called the CASAs, and you might be exempt from that as well, and academic advising can help you know if you qualify for a test exemption. To dual enroll in the CNC machining program at Daytona State, our high school students must be enrolled in an eligible school. We partner with schools in Flagler and Volusia County. You must also have a minimum 2.0 cumulative unweighted high school GPA and take the CASAs exam. And your high school counselor can help you know if you qualify. You also have to be 16 years old by the first day of class to participate in CNC machining as a dual enrollment student.
The most fulfilling part of this line of work is going to be when you get done and you open the doors to the machine and you pull out that part and you look at it and you see what you've created. That is the most fulfilling, exciting thing that you could do. Knowing that you took a solid block of metal and turned it into this intricate part. Maybe it'll go to the bottom of the ocean, maybe it'll go to space. It can do a lot of things.